Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today we're going to review another course from Udemy. This time the course is called Angular 1 from Zero to Hero. For those of you who don't know, Angular 1 is AngularJS and it's the first version of Angular. Let's go to the Overview tab and in the About this course section, learn real-world AngularJS with practical knowledge that you can apply from day one. It has 97 lectures, 6 hours of videos, and the skill level is all levels. The language is English, and I can say that the instructor, Asim Hussein, I don't know if I pronunciate his name correct, I think that he is a great teacher. He's very inspirational, he knows what he's talking about, I'm sure that he has a lot of experience, he can explain everything very clear, I like how he codes, and for me this was a great course. I mean, from straight ahead, it was everything good, everything clear, and I really like it. As the name of this course says, from zero to hero, for me, I couldn't agree more. So if you find this course, yeah, be sure to take it. Alright, so let's jump into the description, and it has a lot of things here, which, as I have mentioned before, is a great thing, so you can know what you are going to learn, and I would suggest you to read everything if you're interested in this course. And then you have the instructor, and you can find him almost everywhere. I think that he's a great instructor. It has like, what do I believe, what are my values, and again I would suggest you to read everything because I mean he is great. Alright, now let's jump into the course content, and here you will see that we have like 12 sections, but the last section is just a bonus. The other sections are mostly covered by videos, and sometimes he has links, external links, or he gives you the code for the exercises. Usually the videos are like 3, 2, or even 8 and 14 minutes. I prefer small videos, but these videos like from validation using core AngularJS that it's 14 minutes, it's okay. I mean, he's talking about validation, of course he will have a longer video, whereas if he's in introduction he doesn't need a very long video. 3 minutes, I think it's just the great duration. So once again, kudos to the teacher. And then we have the Q&A. There are a lot of questions, and usually there is also an answer. Let's continue with the announcements. And the last one was from 1 year ago, and it says migrating from AngularJS to Angular 4. So the instructor is trying to give you more information about AngularJS that I believe is also something very awesome. Now let me tell you a couple of things for this course. As you have probably understand so far, I really like it, and I was very excited when I was doing it. It was when I was starting learning AngularJS, and I found everything very helpful. Now the bad thing is that as I was trying to find more information about this course, and I went incognito, I Googled Angular 1 from Zero to Hero, which is our course, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I don't know what happened with Udemy or what happened with the course instructor, but his course isn't available, and I think that only people who have subscribed to it earlier can find this course, but now it's gone private. So I'm not sure if this is Udemy's fault, if it has something to do with the instructor, but the bad thing is that you may not be able to find it. Anyway, I will leave in the description box the name of this course, as well as the URL that I'm using to go inside this, but there is a possibility that you won't be able to access this course. If you're able to find it in Udemy, I would totally suggest you to take part in it, and you will learn a lot of things, I can guarantee you that. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!